If you live in the city, you may know that those big pipes in the street take it away, and city employees then take care of it. They watch over those pipes, and the wastewater treatment plant down the street treats the wastewater that is commonly discharged to the river. And for that convenient service, city residents may pay several $100s per year in the form of a monthly or quarterly sewer bill. If water is piped into their home through miles and miles of water pipe, they may also have a monthly drinking water bill to pay. For many living in rural areas, those conveniences may not be available.
We had a lot of people that were moving from the city and sewers to the rural areas and on septics, and they had no clue that they were totally different systems, and they had to treat them totally different, and they had to maintain and protect them.
Country living brings with it the responsibility of constructing and maintaining your own wastewater. Today, these necessities of rural living are not cheap to construct, but they do utilize the amazing capacity of the natural soil beneath us to treat our wastewater and return it to the natural groundwater formations. Currently in Michigan, we do not pay for this water we extract from the ground beneath us, nor do we pay a monthly sewer bill for our on-site wastewater treatment or discharge. However, the responsibility for the maintenance of these systems is ours as homeowners.
Septic system maintenance is not rocket science. It's really common sense, but people need to know what they're doing. They have to know they have a septic system and not ignore it.
Regulations are developed to make sure on-site systems are properly constructed, but are not always in place to assure that these expensive systems are well maintained. And with an estimated 1.2 million on-site systems in Michigan, serving roughly 25% of the state's population, educating homeowners on the proper care and maintenance of their own on-site system is a daunting task. This is particularly true of the more complex, improved treatment systems in use today. Designers and regulators agree that trained professionals should check most of these advanced technologies at least once per year. If an on-site system is not maintained, this is what can happen. If you have your own wastewater treatment system, you have a very efficient and cost-effective way of treating the water you use and returning it to the environment near the point of use, saving the energy required to move that water great distances. You also have the responsibility to care for that system so it will last the lifetime of the home on your property.
The site for the system needs to be selected with long-term performance in mind, and then the system needs to be used and maintained as though we expect it to last forever.
People think they can treat them like sewers and put anything and everything down them, and that is the surest way to get into trouble.
There are a number of things that can decrease the efficiency of a system. Kitchen wastes. I mean, people are accustomed to garbage disposal units. Well, that puts a lot of organic matter into the system that might otherwise go into a compost pile, which is a much better way to do it. But there are household chemicals that can create a problem, household cleaners, fats and oils from the kitchen, and so on.
Your on-site water and wastewater systems are just as important a part of your rural living as a public water and sewer pipes and treatment are to those who choose to live in our cities.